Hi, my name is Maddie. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put our professional snow pusher together. It's our snow pusher series. We have a 24-inch, a 30-inch, a 36-inch, and a 48-inch. And today I'm going to be putting together the 24-inch, but the assembly required is going to be valid across all boards. So all the snow pusher series are going to follow the same assembly. So if you want to watch this video all the way through, you'll figure out how to put it all together. So you're going to start by putting your shaft on your blade, and you're going to want to attach the top screw first. Put your bolts in. It's easier to put the bolt in and then place it down on the table or whatever surface you're working on. Take your screwdriver. I have a screwdriver and a wrench with me today, and you're just going to want to take that and take your Phillips head screwdriver and tighten that on up. And then you're going to want to take the back, place it down on your table or wherever you're working. And you see how these have the bolt areas here, so that means the screw is going to go on this side. So put the screw in on the blade, and I'm just going to attach all three of them at the same time so then I can get the bolts in. We're just going to pop them on there. So then after you have your shovel together, you're going to put your shaft in. And you're going to want to take your D-pin, put your D-pin in, make sure your holes line up on your shaft and your support, like so. Then clamp your D-pin together, insert your screws here for extra support. And that is how you put together our snow pusher series. If you have any further questions, don't be afraid to contact support at support@earthway.com and visit us at earthway.com for more Polartec products and also Earthway products. Thank you.